Welcome to EPG Pathshala. This is Dr. Ankush Ambardar from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Today, I'll be taking up a topic from subject of tourism and hospitality, that is hospitality distribution channels. Well, after completing this module, students will be able to understand the concept of distribution channels. They'll be able to learn various types of distribution channels, understand the working of each distribution channel, and will be able to differentiate between various channels. Well, achieving higher occupancy and revenue level requires considerable research, planning, and monitoring. The person assigned to these tasks is usually reservation manager or supervisor. In some cases, the front office manager, revenue manager, or even the general manager may have these responsibilities. Although selling rooms is a very important role for the reservation department, deciding what rooms should be sold and the price to sell them is just as important. Without proper planning and control, rooms may be vacant that could be otherwise sold. In addition, rooms may be improperly priced, leading to lost revenue opportunities. The sale of rooms in the modern world is achieved through the various distribution channels available either online or offline. Now, distribution channels. Advancements in technology have changed to the core the way reservations were made. In earlier times, a hotel would post available rooms and then manually adjust and sell them on a daily basis, even hourly. Today, rooms are sold electronically through numerous channels with little or no human involvement. This substantial change is methodology is due to the growth of hospitality distribution channels. A distribution channel, in general terms, is a chain of business or intermediaries through which goods and services pass until they reach the end user or the consumer. The primary function of any distribution channel is to move the consumer towards a product or service. It mostly includes wholesalers, retailers, distributors, and even the internet. Channels are divided into direct and indirect forms. So direct channels allow the consumers to buy goods from manufacturers, whereas indirect channels enables the consumers to buy goods from wholesalers or retailers. Hospitality distribution channels are different methods or platforms through which hotel room bookings are made. Channels could be hotel's website, a direct reservation call, or any particular intermediator like third-party website, online travel agents, etc. Hotel chains have realized that distribution of their products is imperative for their success. The more number of distribution channels they have, the better possibilities are that the guests will book their rooms. Diverse channels is also vital in order to maximize the potential sales. Through diversification, hotels can reach larger demographics clients. Having more number of channels can be beneficial in low occupancy periods. However, the key is to have a right mix of channels and manage them effectively. Now let's talk about types of distribution channels. There are numerous distribution channels available to hotels today, with new types being introduced every year. Today, travelers can make reservations by telephoning the property directly or telephoning the chain's central reservation office, through email, via hotel's website with a travel agent, or on the chain's website. Various types of distribution channels are classified as under. Central Reservation System, CRS. The CRS is an information system promoting sales and providing fast and accurate information on the room availability, price rates, and booking of hospitality products and services. A CRS is adopted by a chain or group of hotels to better manage the sale of their rooms. Majority of lodging properties are associated to one or more central reservation systems. There are two types of central reservation systems: affiliate and non-affiliate networks. An affiliate CRS system is a chain hotel's reservation network in which all the participating member properties are related through a mutual contract. Nowadays, most chain hotels operate their own CRS reservation network or outsource their reservation operation to a reservation technology supplier. OCC, Oberoi Contact Center, WelcomeNet Marsha are some of the examples of affiliate reservation networks available nowadays with chain hotels. Chain hotels have their reservation operations linked together across all members to streamline the reservation processing. This reduces the overall processing time and system costs. Another benefit is that one chain can attract and refer business for another member, chain, or property. Reservation travel from one chain hotel to other chain hotel through an automated reservation network. If one hotel property is sold out, the reservation system handling the transaction can provide alternate accommodation at a chain property in similar or same geographic area. These are termed as referrals, which can also be made to properties whose location, price, etc. is suitable to the guest. Now, affiliate CRS networks that enable the non-chain properties to participate in their reservation network have better representation in the market. Non-chain or independent properties may also get themselves associated with affiliate CRS by paying a fee to the reservation network. Such properties are known as overflow facilities. Generally, reservations are routed to the overflow facilities only after all the rooms in chain properties within a specific location area have been sold out. Next is a non-affiliate reservation network. It is a network of different hotels among each other. It connects non-chain or independent properties. It allows the independent hotels to avail the benefit of an affiliate CRS. Mostly, these non-affiliate networks accept a limited number of hotels in a particular geographical area. This is done to maintain high value of service among all the participating members. Examples are leading hotels of the world, LHW, preferred hotels, small luxury hotels, SLH, and distinguished hotels. All properties featured in the CRS database are accessible by a search criteria. That means that a hotel reservationist can offer personalized service based on the requirements of a prospective guest. Only the hotel that fit the search criteria opted and displaying availability on the requested dates are displayed on the screens. This enables the reservationist to suggest a hotel that suits the dates and other requirements of the clients. Guest history data can be saved for each staying guest and for each hotel in the CRS. Previous stay information in the guest history can be updated at the time of last departure. When there is a repeat returning to the same hotel, this data guides the reservationist to offer appropriate rooms or even upsell rooms if applicable. CRS operations. A central reservation office, CRO, generally communicates directly with the customers by means of a toll-free telephone number or an online web address. Most large hotel chains have multiple reservation centers established. Calls are directed to one of the centers. These reservation centers are in operation throughout the day for most days of the year, that is 24/7. The central reservation offices are linked with the member properties for real-time management. They primarily work on WAN, that is wide area network, and exchange room occupancy status among the member properties and communicate reservation transactions as and when they occur. Through an online communication connection, accurate, reliable, and up-to-date information on room availability and rates is maintained between hotels and the CROs. Some CRS transfers telephone calls or website contact details to destination properties once a reservation record has been created. It is essential for the participating properties to be equipped with necessary communication systems necessary for handling reservation transactions. These include personal computers, computer network, telephone lines, facsimile machines, telecommunication device for the deaf, and so on. The equipment may be provided by central reservation system at an additional cost. The CRS generally leaves a charge for each successful reservation transaction produced and processed through their system. Alternatively, a flat percentage of room revenue may be charged by the CRS to cover all CRS operational costs. Each participating property has to provide precise current room availability data to the central reservation office. Without this data, the CRO cannot function effectively to process reservation requests. Global distribution systems. The GDS is a worldwide computerized network of reservations used as a single point of access for booking hospitality services. These include airline seats, hotel rooms, car rentals, and other travel-related services. GDS communicates and distributes hotel reservation information and enables selling of hotel rooms reservations throughout the world. It is basically a large network that a reservation tool and permits hotel inventory and rates to travel agents and allows them to make and manage bookings. Now, global distribution system used by numerous travel segments serves a large number of varied companies including airlines, ground handlers, hotels, railways, car rentals, airports, cruise lines, and ferry operators. A GDS links service rates and bookings, combining products and services across all travel sectors. That is airline reservation, hotel reservation, car rentals, and other activities. GDS is different from a computer reservation system, that is CRS. It is used by the respective vendors, hotels or hotel chains, airlines. Primarily, customer of GDS are travel agents, both online and office-based, to make reservations on various reservation systems run by the vendors. GDS does not hold any inventory. The inventory is held on vendors' reservation system itself. Although there exists a real-time link between GDS system and the vendor's database. For instance, when a travel agent or agents want to reserve room at a particular hotel, the GDS system will route the reservation request to the specific hotel property computer reservation system. Hence, this allows a travel agency connected to a single GDS to choose and reserve flights, hotels, services, and activities from all the sellers, vendors in the world who are associated with that GDS. Generally, the GDS terminals are with travel agents linked through a dial-up connection or a leased line. GDS operations. Most central reservation systems, whether affiliate or non-affiliate network, are connected with one or another global distribution system. The largest and most renowned GDS are Sabre, Amadeus, Galalio International, and WorldSpan. Each GDS is owned by an airline or group of airlines. The following points highlights how selling of rooms is accomplished through a GDS. GDS connects to a hotel's reservation network, CRS, through a transitional system called a switch. Called as THISCO, CRS further connects with a hotel's in-house property management system like Opera, IDS, etc. to communicate the booking information to the front desk personnel. Hotel properties, elaborative information is loaded into GDS networks including room rates and inventory. Numerous online travel portals retrieve the hotel property information from the GDS network and display it in their search results. Travel agents mainly log into one of the 4 GDS systems, Amadeus, Sabre, Worldwide, Span, Galalio International, to retrieve the hotel property information. Also, the recently developed online travel agent portals, OTAs, also retrieve the property information for any of these systems. Example, Expedia.com, Travelocity.com, retrieve hotel information from any of the GDS providers. Systems of global distribution system. There are currently 4 major GDS systems, that is Amadeus, Sabre, Galalio, WorldSpan. Taking Amadeus first. Amadeus was founded in 1987 by a group of airlines, that is Air France, Iberia, Lufthansa, and SAS. Amadeus is the newest of 4 GDS providers included in this module. Amadeus serves the marketing, sales, and distribution requirements of the travel and tourism industry throughout the world. It has a comprehensive database among the largest in Europe and serves more than 50,000 travel agencies and more than 10,500 airline sales offices around the worldwide. Their network provides access to approximately 58,000 hotels and 50 car rental companies, serving approximately 24,000 locations. Amadeus also covers ferries, railways, cruise lines, insurance, and tour operators. Galalio International. Galalio International was founded in 1993 by 11 major North American and European airlines. These airlines included Air Canada, Italia, Australian Airlines, Aer Lingus, British Airways, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, Olympic Airlines, Swissair, TAP Airlines, Portugal, United Airlines and US Airways. It is a major player in the GDS business around the world. Galalio International has a diversified portfolio, but its core business includes electronic global distribution services for the travel industry through its computerized reservation systems, leading edge products and innovative internet-based solutions. Currently, Galalio International has operations in 116 countries and serves travel agencies at approximately 45,000 locations. Its portfolio also includes approximately 500 airlines, over 200 hotels, 3+ car rental companies, and more than 350 tour operators. WorldSpan. WorldSpan was founded in Feb 1990. It was originally owned by Delta Airlines, Northwest Airlines, and Transworld Airlines. However, currently its ownership lies between Delta Airlines 40%, Northwest Airlines 34%, and American Airlines 26%. WorldSpan provides worldwide electronic distribution of travel information for travel agencies, travel service providers, and different organizations. It currently serves more than 20,000 travel agents in about 90 countries. WorldSpan currently links nearly 421 airlines, 210 hotels, car rental companies, tour operators, and special travel service suppliers. Both Galalio and WorldSpan are owned by Travelport. Sabre. Sabre is an acronym for Semi-Automated Business Research Environment. Sabre has developed and transformed the business of travel. Sabre is represented in 45 countries, enables travel commerce and service, and enhances airline supplier operations. Headquartered in South Lake, Texas, Sabre connects more than 60,000 travel agencies locations around the world, providing content from approximately 400 airlines, 55,000 hotel properties, 52 car rental companies, 9 cruise liners, 33 raid roles, and 229 tour operators. In addition to being of the leading GDS companies, Sabre also provides a broad range of products and services that enhance travel agency operations and their ability to serve travelers. Sabre owns Travelocity.com, which is the industry's leading online consumer travel website that helps consumers find the best flight, hotel, car, and holiday reservations. Online travel agents, OTAs. These are platforms allowing customers to search hotels, compare their room rates, and make bookings throughout their website with the hotel property that best suits their requirement. These are third-party websites that have set up contacts with different hotel properties, securing their inventory rooms. OTA revenues come from commission charge, which are levied from every materialized reservation routed through their channel. They are one-stop solution for our hotel bookings for the end customer. Example of OTAs are Expedia, Booking.com, MakeMyTrip.com, and so on. OTAs generally charge 10 to 20% commission rates. However, commission rates may vary depending upon the contract, ceiling power of the hotel, impact factor of the OTA, and so on. OTAs spend a considerable proportion of their revenues on meta search websites to bid for the hotels that pay them the commission. OTA models. There exist two models of OTAs. The merchant model. The merchant model is also known as the net contracted rates model. In this model, there exists a contract between hotel and OTA to sell base number of rooms. Usual margins for OTAs is generally 20 to 30% due to bulk purchase. In return, the OTAs provide hotels with more visibility on their hotels that result in more incremental booking and revenue. Example, Agoda, Expedia. The agent model. This is a commission-based model, hence the hotel owners decide the final selling price of their rooms. A mutually agreed fixed commission is decided for every booking on per room and per night basis to the OTAs. It provides the customer with a choice of either paying upfront at the time of booking or at the time of checkout at the hotel. Commission payable by the hotel depends upon their market share and visibility exposure promised by the OTA. This model allows the hotel to better manage their inventory. It permits them to flexibly allocate their rooms to OTAs and adjust during unexpected market changes. Example, Booking.com. Hotel websites. A hotel's individually developed and maintained website is one of the best ways to secure an internet room sale. The reason is financial. When an internet user buys a room directly from a hotel, as is also the case with a walk-in, telephone, email or fax, the fees paid by the hotel on that sale are either eliminated or reduced. Most brand or franchise hotels rely on the websites designed and operated by their chains. CRS, for their internet presence, they lower the hotel's dependence on third parties to increase bookings. The hotel site should encourage visitors to book rooms in a quick, easy and logical manner. From the viewpoint of distribution channel, hoteliers should carefully consider the following factors when developing property websites. Written website content. A site's written content should answer questions that site visitors are likely to have about the hotel. Example, what, where, how much, and encourage visitors to book rooms. Property brochures, sale letters, promotional kits, and other marketing tools should be available on the website. Search engines optimizations. The number of views or the visibility of the hotel's website on the search engines depends on investment made by hotels towards SEOs. Search engines have rules about the number of times a term can be used, how terms should be used, and where terms should appear in site documents. A search engine specialist can help the front office manager to maximize the chance of having a strong sell position in search results. Audiovisual content. As more and more people get access to high-speed internet, hoteliers should increase the audiovisual content of their website. This includes high-definition photographs, graphics, logos, and all forms of audio and video. Recently, many hotels have added virtual tours to their websites. Reservation availability. Websites should display real-time reservation availability as potential guests immediately want to know if their requested room is available or not. A reservation device can be used for this purpose, which should be accessible from anywhere on the website. Applicable links. Linking website to potential business sources is a key strategy. Websites need to be connected to with demand generators like local attractions, tourist information portals, chamber of commerce, etc. The hotel website developer should contact these demand generators and ask for a reciprocal link. Property Direct. Reservation directly received and managed by the hotel through telephone, email, fax, walk-ins and even group sales department. These channels can be considered one of the most preferred distribution channels as it does not involve any intermediaries between the hotel and its guest. Telephones. Hotels still receive many reservation requests by telephones. Telephonic reservation receives are free from fees except for direct labor costs and franchise fee if applicable based on total room revenue. It is one of the most cost-effective ways to obtain a room sale. A hotel may or may not have a dedicated reservation agent attending telephone calls regarding reservation queries. The efficiency in handling reservation calls determines a hotel's booking success. The art of selling rooms by telephones is highly developed skill. The front office managers improves the effectiveness of their staff by improving the following aspects: displaying appropriate telephonic etiquettes, qualifying the guest, how to describing the property, how to offer and present the rate, how to overcome price resistance, upselling the product, how to effectively close the sale, that is making the reservation, and reconfirming the sale details. Email. Email and traditional mail distribution channel can be considered together due to their similarities. These are again very cost-effective means of selling rooms. The email user generally sends its reservation queries, room type availability, dates, rates, etc. to the hotel and accepts the same day reply or at the very latest the next day. The following specific measures can be taken to help maximize the effectiveness of emails. Reply to all email inquiries as quickly as possible within 24 hours, sooner if possible. Always use hotel's name in the form line when responding to a message. Use automated spell check software on each mail reply before it is sent. Sign all mail clearly, include type name, position, address and direct contact information, that is telephone or email, of the person replying to the reservation inquiry. Walk-in guests. Walk-in guests are considered a valuable revenue generator with no recruitment costs. Hotel pays no fee for a walk-in guest, whereas least pre-reservation related fees, GDS, CRS, OTAs in other cases. These fees may vary from 5% to 30% of the quoted room price. If rooms are available, every possible effort should be made to sell a room to each walk-in guest. Steps for handling a walk-in guest include an immediate warm welcome and a friendly approach. The lobby should be clean and attractive. Special discounts for last-minute travelers should be provided. Room upgrades can be offered from standard to higher level room types to increase perceived value and ensure the room's sale. Now, to summarize the chapter, hospitality distribution channels or HDCs are the different methods or platforms of buying which room bookings for a hotel are made. It is essential for the reservation team to critically choose and manage various channels of distribution. This module covers major HDCs prevailing in the current times. These are 5 broad distribution channels, namely Central Reservation System, Global Distribution System, online travel agents, hotel websites, and Property Direct. A large number of distribution channels give more opportunities to guests to inquire and book hotel rooms. CRS includes affiliate and non-affiliate reservation networks. 4 main GDS systems are Amadeus, Gladio, Sabre, WorldSpan. The OTAs have grown tremendously in last decade, and most OTAs are owned by 2 major players, Expedia and Priceline. Hotel websites use the internet as a means of distribution to cater the online visitors. The visitors into the guests, the website must be attractive and user-friendly. Property direct reservations are most cost-effective and include telephones, emails, and walk-in guests. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala. This was Dr. Ankush Ambardar from Kurukshetra University.